it's me, Big Mavy. Today I'm going to be showing you another Ben 10 McDonald's Happy Meal toy review. And it is Ultimate Humongosor. I opened him. Articulation, his hands, his head, no leg articulation. And here's a symbol of Humongosor. The last one I got, I liked it, but I like this one better. And he is very cool. So get this toy. And you have to go to your local McDonald's. This is Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. And he's toy number 1. Excuse me. You can see that. And so this is a very cool toy. I like to review my toys for a reason. So that was my second Ben 10 toy review. McDonald's. Bye!